FIRST IRONCLAD here, welcome to another video. There's a helicopter currently flying over. There is, Chinook Helicopter up there. This is the third one I've seen today. I heard it coming. First thing I did was ran over and grabbed the phone to start recording. I saw a barrel on the Chinook. So it's a nice stormy day today. Sorry about the black spot, which would be right where my finger's pointing. I don't know how it happened, but I'm starting to get wet. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. I'll record more videos. I see more Chinooks coming. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.